Now to news from the Mahakumbh, the largest religious congregation in the world. For the first time, pilgrims visiting the Triveni Sangam in Prayagraj for Mahakumbh will have a unique opportunity to circumambulate all 12 Jyotirlingas of Lord Shiva. This will be possible because of the newly built Shivalaya Park. Watch this special report by DD India's Siddharth Bharadwaj.
In Mahakumbh 2025, large influx of tourists, devotees, pilgrims are coming on the holy land of Prayagraj. I am here at Arel Ghat and this is a very special place. This is called Shivalaya Park. Now, what is unique about Shivalaya Park is the very fact that you have 12 Jyotirling in this place, and people who are coming here can get darshan of all the 12 Jyotirling at one place. And also, it's ways to wonder. Everything here at this park has been built by 400 tons of recycled iron junk.
I'm here from Canada, and my first visit, and just walking into the park, I'm in awe of all the different setups over here.
This unique Shivalaya Park has built on 11 acres of land in Arel in Prayagraj at a cost of rupees 14 crore. Around 22 artists and 500 workers were engaged in building of this park. Set up on the theme of Ways to Wonder, this park is a symbol of art and cleanliness. What's unique at Shivalaya Park is that it unfolds the entire story of Samudra Manthan, or churning of the ocean. Upon entering the park, one can witness a live scene of Samudra Manthan, where Nag Vasuki is seen churning the ocean with a rope between demons and God. The creations of Nandi and Trishul further enhances the grandeur of this place.
The whole place completes the journey of being here at Kumbh.
Around 450 to 500 million people are expected to come in this mega festival, which is considered as the largest religious gathering on earth. And this is a place which certainly cannot be missed. With camera person Rakesh Kumar, this is Siddharth Bharadwaj reporting for DD India in Prayagraj.